Hello everyone. This is a tricky question today. We are asked to find out which one is greater, okay, which one is larger, sine 1 degree or sine 1 radian. Okay, radian is a real number, so we are asked to find out which of these two values is larger. Okay, so the basic thing that everyone should know, okay, when it comes to changing the angle between radian and degrees, okay, this is the basic relation that is always used in case of conversion. Okay, this is that 180 degrees, okay, is equal to pi radian. Okay, radian is usually used using this c symbol. Okay, so this is the basic relation. So from here we have 1 radian. If we try to find out the value of 1 radian, this will be equal to 180 by pi degrees, right? So this implies that 180 and the value of pi is 3.1415, and it goes on, right? It goes on. So if we divide 180 by 3, this is 60. So this is more than 3, right? So this will be slightly less than 60. So if we do the calculation using a calculator, it comes out that 1 radian is approximately equal to 57.3 degrees. Okay, it is approximately 57 degrees or 57.3 degrees. This is the value of 1 radian angle in terms of degrees. Okay, now this is the first condition. Also, both of these angles, right, this 1 degree or this 57.3 degree, right, we can substitute sine 57.3 degrees here, right? So both will be in the degree system. In both of these cases, both 1 degree and 1 radian, which is basically 57.3 degrees, right, lie in first quadrant, right? First quadrant, where sine function is increasing, right? Sine function is increasing in the first quadrant. If you see the graph also, if you do the graph also of sine curve, in the first quadrant, the value is increasing, right? From 0 to pi upon 2, this is the peak value, right? This is the sine curve roughly. So the sine function is increasing in the first quadrant, right? So therefore, sine of 1 degree will be smaller than sine of 57.3 degrees, right? Since it is increasing function and both are in the first quadrant. So from here we can just conclude that sine of 1 degree is smaller than sine of 1 radian. Okay, and this is the required proof here. This is the easiest proof. There are other methods of proving also. You can use the Lagrange mean value theorem and other theorems also, but this is the easiest and smallest proof that I know for this proof. Okay, so this is it. You just need to just remember that this 1 radian, how to find this 1 radian, you don't need to do the calculation. This is slightly less than 60 degree, right? And since sine is an increasing function in the first quadrant, if these two angles are given, it is very easy, okay, to conclude. You don't need to have to do any calculations or any other kind of computational work here. Okay, this is very easy. So this is the required answer. Sine 1 radian is greater. Okay, it was required to find which was greater. Okay, so therefore sine 1 radian is greater. Okay, so this is it. This was a very small and short sum. Okay, so thank you for watching. This was a very tricky, usually asked in some tricky questions and all that. In Viva also they may ask you which one is larger. Okay, so this is it. Thank you for watching.